YouTube? This your boy Down Low back for another reply. But before then, this week's show brought to you by LQ Beats. LQ Beats, very talented producer out there, and his beats have been behind all of my videos for this week so far. The link to his page is in the description, man. Check him out, send him a tweet, or even cop some beats off of him, man, if you like. But anyway, today we're going to be reviewing Curren with Harry Fried doing the beats, Cigarette Bones. And I've got to say, Curren got some fucking hustle. This is the type of shit that dudes need to have in this game, in this day and age, because Curren just came off of dropping his album, that Stoned Immaculate, which I still fuck with. I actually did go out and cop it. I was just a little bit upset because all of the best tracks were all the ones that got leaked early and shit. And this mixtape, not even a mixtape, it's really just an EP because there's only 5 tracks up on it. But you can listen to it straight through. But there aren't any blazing hits on it. Basically, like, if you are not a fan of Curren, then you most likely won't turn into a fan off of this. But any fan of Curren will fucking love this straight through. It is overall a solid piece of music. And it takes a dude who actually loves to make music to continuously put out stuff like this. Because most rappers, after they drop their album, they disappear for 1 to 2 years. A lot of them claim that they don't want to play themselves out. A whole lot of others just want to go on hiatus and shit because they really don't like making the music. They really just like the shine that comes with it. But Curren is an example, man. If you love the music, you love what you're doing, you'll do that shit every day, all day, and you will continuously get better. But anyway, on to today's article. And today's article is about bash. And this is like an industry standard, man. Everybody, men, women, they bash on the opposite sex. And the reason for it is because there's a market for it. It's because people are getting done wrong every fucking day. See, art imitates life. So as long as there's people out there dirtbagging the opposite sex, then this type of song is going to remain relevant within the music industry. And it sucks because it's really not difficult to be fucking honest. Like, come on, man, there's nothing wrong with having multiple women. The problem is you motherfuckers lying to these women so you can have these multiple women. A true player tells the truth from the door, and they can either roll with it or roll out. And women, there's nothing wrong with you dealing with multiple dudes as long as you up front. I understand that society puts like this stigma on women that's out there just enjoying their lives, which is completely unfair, which changes the way they act. Basically, they have to be secretive about what they like to do or else they get looked down upon. And that is bullshit. That whole stigma thing of society needs to fucking stop, because it leads to nothing but lies that are completely unfucking necessary, which leads to male-female bashing in songs and shit like that.